What do I have here? What's this little device here? It's an open 4-section monopod. Legs pop out. I got almost a 6-foot base. Let's take a look around the yard, folks. Well, it looks like the yard's doing pretty good. We got a lot of leaves and stuff. I got to cut all the way into the first or second week of December, which will be next week. The grass is still moist, even though we haven't had any rain. So notice how I'm out here blowing the leaves that I have, in an area where I can suck them up when I actually do the mowing. I don't want these leaves to sit on the lawn. Sometimes the last 2 cuts I'll bag, and then I'll put those grass clippings on top of like spring and summer bulbs. One of the things that you should always remember is around Thanksgiving, November time, you should, cut your grass 2 to 3 times and lower the blade cut each time. And then make sure that you take different angles. Maybe you go crossways one time and at an angle another time. And the reason that you want to do this is in the fall, the grass in the ground is probably going to be a little bit moist, and you don't want to develop ruts in the lawn. And your final cut should be somewhere around 3 inches or less. I would say 2.5 is the sweet spot. But what I've come to find out is if you are using moisture max stuff to maintain moisture throughout the year, your soil in the fall will probably be a lot softer than you normally or your neighbors. So yeah, I use some things throughout the year, especially in July and August. And what I've been finding out after using these things for about 2 or 3 years, that my soil stays more wet. The monopod that I'm using here is at 68 inches, and then with the base of the GoPro and the GoPro itself, it's probably about 6 foot. And that 6-foot view is a nice angle, especially when the sun is directly behind you, as you can see from the shadows. Going along, and I'm showing you the lawn going into the sun. And then this is the sun behind me. As I said, it's maintaining its green. I believe it's maintaining its green, one from the winterizer that I put on it, which is nothing but a Scott's like winterizer step forward, I believe it is. And my soil is extremely soft, and that cool season grass with the temperatures and that water being held within the soil, I believe it's given me an excellent outcome. I mean, when you're talking late November looking this green. As I'm walking back towards the driveway and I'm showing you these angles, you see like a diamond cut. And that's only because I, just changed up the cut a little bit, where I went crossways and then I went at an angle. So if you notice, I'm making sure my lines from the previous cut a week earlier are just about an inch over, so I don't make a rut. As you can see, my lawn is looking very, very soft right here. And this is what I want going into the season. Now, the deer will definitely destroy me over the winter, but it'll bounce back. It always does.